and welcome. You're watching NewsX and I'm Assam Rifles. Let's start with the headlines first. A viral statement claims Balochistan has declared independence from Pakistan and established the Republic of Balochistan. The claims remain unverified, while Pakistan has not issued an official response. Rohan Kumar, a 31-year-old seafarer from Bihar's Gopalganj district, was killed after two Emirati oil tankers came under missile attack in the Strait of Hormuz. Vietnam Maritime Authorities tighten waterway safety after boat tragedy kills 15 Indian tourists. Meanwhile, the last rites are underway. Key India-UK free trade agreement comes into effect from today, allowing for duty-free entry of nearly 99% of Indian exports to the British market while easing tariffs on several UK goods entering India. 4 people were arrested from Manipur's Kamjong district in connection with the ambush carried out at Ukhrul, killing 2 Assam Rifles personnel. US lawmakers unveiled revised version of Russian sanction bill, easing the original 500% tariff proposal for nationals and for nations importing Russian energy, including India and China. US President Donald Trump backed away from his plan to impose a 20% charge on cargo shipments through Strait of Hormuz. The US carried out another wave of strikes against Iran while IRGC claims damage to US naval headquarters as hostilities continue in the West Asia region.